Hey, we're doing a headlight restoration on this Ford F-150 with Klear headlight restoration. That's K-L-E-A-R with a K.US. For more information, more videos, what you do is you put the tape down on it and you sandpaper it with 3 grits of sandpaper to a smooth surface. You get all that grit off of there and then you spray Klear on it. Real simple, 1 coat only. That's all it takes. After you get that 1 coat on there, as you can see, it's a little bit cloudy, but when you want it with a UV light, there's a hardening agent inside of this product and it cures and hardens. It gets very clear. We warranty against it yellowing for as long as you own the vehicle, and we also guarantee that the light will shine through. It's hard to see in video, but you can see it clear up the cloudiness. It actually gets hard. You can deliver this vehicle within the next 10 to 15 minutes. It takes about an hour to do the whole process. If you'd like to get it done in the San Antonio area, you can call us at 210-334-7392, or you can go to Klear.US for more videos. You can buy the product online, and it actually will outlast the vehicle. Once you do this process, you will not have to do it again. You can also use the sunlight for the UV light. This is for quick delivery. You just take the tape off here in a few minutes. You can deliver the vehicle. After it's done, you just wipe it down. Thanks for watching Klear.US with a K.